Which part of the ear transmits sound vibrations to the inner ear? Hammer, anvil, stirrup, eardrum. Option D, eardrum. The eardrum, or tympanic membrane, transmits sound vibrations to the inner ear. What is the main function of the small intestine? Filtration, pumping blood, absorption, digestion. Option C, absorption. The small intestine is responsible for the absorption of nutrients from digested food. What is the purpose of the eustachian tube in the ear? Equalizing pressure, hearing, balancing, taste. Option A, equalizing pressure. The eustachian tube maintains middle ear pressure for optimal hearing and comfort.